If you're thinking about moving to Arroyo Grande, these are the 5 neighborhoods you absolutely need to see before you choose a home. I'm Bruce Carson, realtor with Our Real Estate here on the Central Coast, and today I'm taking you through Berry Gardens, Cypress Ridge, Wasna Valley, Rancho Grande, and the village of Arroyo Grande. 5 completely different lifestyles packed into one amazing town. So let's get into it right now. Berry Gardens in Arroyo Grande is a nice neighborhood. It's really about 5 minutes from the beach. It's close to schools, close to shopping, and it's right next to the Soto Sports Complex. It's really easy to get to Grand Avenue. It's really easy to get to the 101. Yeah, and this is a very family friendly area. You can see this neighborhood is actually known for being a great place to go trick or treating. So if you want to trick or treat, take the kids out for Halloween. This is the place to be because people tend to have great, uh, scary houses. They give out above average candy, and it's such a nice, safe neighborhood because it's all residential and it's just slow traffic and it's just loaded with kids. But also, another huge advantage of this area is that it's right by the Soto Sports Complex. So if you live here with a family, you can have the kids just walk right down this street. They can go to soccer practice, football practice, baseball practice, softball, cheer. It's all just a couple blocks away. It's a real safe walk. You can see the speed limit is 25 miles an hour. There's great sidewalks. So very walkable, very cool neighborhood, Berry Gardens. About 25 years ago, this was literally a strawberry field. And now take a look. It's just a beautiful, beautiful. So this is the community of Cypress Ridge. It's a really nice gated community in Arroyo Grande. You can see it's nice and peaceful. Now this is up on the mesa, and so up here you can see we have it's windy. We have a lot less marine layer. We have a lot more sun, and just great, beautiful days here at Cypress Ridge. And look at the beautiful homes in the background. We have a lot of lakes. We have a lot of green space. It's very walkable. Again, it's a gated community. So it's a super safe, great place to be. We're up on the mesa, but that only means we're about 2 miles, maybe a mile and a half from downtown Rio Grande, from the 101, from shopping. There's also some local shopping here. We have a grocery store just right down the street, JJ's Market, which is awesome. And we have some restaurants there. So it's not like we're really far off the beaten path when we talk about Cypress Ridge. Cypress Ridge is a great golf course. It's a great golf community, and it's a super nice place to be. So the only way I could really think about showing the Wasna Valley is with the drone. Wasna is just a little bit out of the village of Arroyo Grande, and it spreads all the way up into the hills that you can see in the background. So if you want a lot of property with a home, or if you want just a lot of land, Arroyo Grande is really big. It offers a lot. And look at the proximity to the ocean. It's just not very far. Rancho Grande, a neighborhood here in Arroyo Grande. You can tell it's a beautiful, sunny day. And so I'm going to flip my camera around here in just a minute and show you the neighborhood. I flew the drone to show the proximity. So this is a great location here in Arroyo Grande because it's just a couple miles from the beach. We're kind of away from the marine layer.
So that really, really helps if you like living in the sunny part of town. This is the part of town that you want to be in. And so we get lots of sunny days up here. And now this community, Rancho Grande, was built in the early 1980s. And we have really big, beautiful homes here. And the advantages of this neighborhood is that it's very walkable. There is a walking path just right across the street. And all right, so we're walking the streets here in the Rancho Grande neighborhood. You can see we have a lot of mature oak trees out here. And all I can hear is birds. A little bit of wind blowing through the trees. So this whole area you can see, it's up here in the hills. We can't see the ocean from here. That's fine. We could be there in just a couple minutes. But we get a lot less brain layer. And look at this neighborhood. It's very peaceful, nice big homes. Now, this is off of James Way. And so it is really close and easy to access Pismo Beach. It's easy to access Highway 101. Then you have your shopping, like
in the village of Arroyo Grande. We're taking off from Klondike Pizza and going through the village. This old building on the left was built in 1902. We turn around and see this church over here on the right, 1887. So the village is pretty old.
Okay, so now we're in the village of Arroyo Grande. Now, this was originated in the 1860s, so it's about as old as we get here in the South County, the San Luis Obispo County. So I'm standing in front of the only operating suspension bridge in the state of California. So now once we get across the bridge into the neighborhood, so this is it. This is the old part of Arroyo Grande. And this is a really desirable neighborhood because it's so walkable. You just go right across that bridge to get into the village. And then once you come across the bridge, you're right here at the park. And this is where we have a lot of festivals down here. And the homes are really cool down here. We have a lot of historic old homes. It's very peaceful. So Rio Grande really has a lot to offer because it is so big. So this is Rotary Park in the village of Arroyo Grande. And we flew over with the drone to show the downtown area. You can see there's just a lot of people out looking around. These houses are cool and old. It's a great neighborhood. So just super cool, super quiet, super quaint. Think about moving to Arroyo Grande or anywhere on the Central Coast and you want a calm, stress-free experience, I'd love to help you explore which neighborhood fits you best. You can reach me anytime. All of my contact information is below.